guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. It's been quite a while. I haven't made any video due to the reason I have shifted to UK from Pakistan. So that's why I was unable to make a video. Extremely sorry for that, guys. I'm extremely sorry for that. So, I'm getting settled down here. So today I got a news about the Binance announcement, Launchpad announcement about the Alpine F1 team. This is the 27th, project on the Launchpad. So we're gonna take a look, and I have made several videos before about Binance Launchpad. If I show you the previous projects, you can see we had League of Kingdoms. I already made a video on the League of Kingdoms before, and before that it was Waxp Fan Token, Lazio Fan Token. So these fan tokens are going crazy. F1, this is Alpine F1 is basically the let me show you. This is the F1 racing team. You can check out that. So let's take a look at their website first, okay, and then I'll show you. Let me show you one more. Let me show you what you have to do. You have clicked this video just to know how you can participate. So the thing is, take a look at yourself, guys. Okay, this is the sale price. Okay, you can get the let me show you the one Alpine at the rate of 1 USD. Okay, tokens offered in this Alpine would be 40 million. That's it. Okay, let's take a look at the previous tokens. We got the 40 million. Yeah, this was the 4 million. I'm taking a look at the tokens which went up to almost 10x, more than 10x. So I think 50 million. Yeah, Beta Finance, it went up to let me show you. It has the token offered of 50, and C98 50 million as well, similar tokens. So let's take a look at the other ones as well. 8, 2, 5, 50 million. So SFP, Beta Finance, C98, all these tokens went offered at the time of Launchpad were 40 million. So more tokens are going to be launched in this case. So tokens offered in this case is 40 million tokens. So what I'm gonna do is, if we head over to let me show you trading view, okay, and we're gonna talk about the Beta Finance and the other coins as well. SLP going good. Okay, what was it? So first I'm gonna talk about the Beta. Okay, you can see on the day of listing it went up approximately, I'm talking about the areas, at 4.7. Yeah, $4.7. So it went up $4.7. C98, if we talk about the C98, it went up let's talk about that as well, to approximately 219. Although the tokens offered were same, you can see the difference between the two. C98 had the same supply initially. You can see, let me show you one more time. Beta Finance, you can check out 50 million, 50 million. See, yeah, 50 million tokens offered, 50 million token offered. Participants here were 73,000, but in the other case the participants here were 150,000, and the total committed, you can check out in case of Beta Finance was 7 million BNBs, guys. This is amazing. But in case of Coin98, it was around 5.4 BNB were committed. So less participants and less BNB was committed. But in case of Beta Finance, more participants, more BNB were committed, that as well. And you can check out the price here as well. One Beta was equivalent to 0.001, but in case of C98 it was 0.002. So it was more expensive as compared to Beta Finance, so less BNB. So if we head over to trading view again, you can check out that it means more BNBs if committed, the more inflow of the money. So that's why the price went up. I might be wrong in this case, but that's how it is. So what you have to do right now, the preparation period has just started, okay, and 0.1 is the minimum investment you can do, guys. Okay, 0.1 BNB is the minimum you can invest in here. So, and per user hard cap would be 10,000 USDT. Okay, going down. Subscription time has just started. You can check out that as well. 5 days, 20 hours, 40 minutes. And to participate, what you have to do to participate, your daily average BNB holdings across various accounts will be elite. Okay, let me show you what does it mean. This is the article. I'm gonna post the link under the description of this video. Okay, you need to have BNBs in these accounts: spot margin, BNB crypto loans, sub accounts, Binance saving, BNB Vault, okay, and futures account, finance funding, Launchpad. Okay, what is gonna happen? Average spot, this is the average spot account. Okay, Binance is calculated using the sum of all the snapshots. So they are going to take all these snapshots of the BNB balance, how much BNB you committed per hour. It is calculated and is going to be divided. For example, if you committed 1 BNB for 1 hour, it would be divided by 1 divided by 24. It means you committed 1 BNB for 1 hour, and that would be your participation per day. So if you committed, for example, 1 BNB for 24 hours, that would count 1 BNB as your participation. So the more time you keep it on the participation, the more it will count. So again, heading back to the so the subscription period, as you can check out that as well, it is going to end at 21st of February. Calculation is going to start at 21, again 9 p.m. 9, and that the final token distribution would be around 10. So if I take a look at the previous projects, let me show you that as well. Which was the previous project? Let me show you. Let me show you this one, the League of Kingdoms. It was the previously announced, and you can check out, take a look at the subscription period. So guys, what's gonna happen? What happened last time was, you can take a look at the similar stages. 6, let me show you here. Subscription 6, calculation 9, final token distribution 10, and it was listed at 11 UTC time. Okay, so according to the UK time, it will be listed on the Binance at 11. According to the Pakistani time, it will be listed around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Pakistani time, that is GMT plus 5. Okay, 5 p.m. sorry. So that's how the things are going to work. So it will be listed on the Binance on 21st of February. That would be around Monday. Here you can check out the date, February 21. It would be listed on Binance, because after the final distribution it takes around 1 hour to list. So just calculate the time, and that's how the things are going to work. Talking about the Alpine F1 team token, the BWT would be the token, I think so. Alpine F1 team competes in the FIA Formula 1 World Championship. You can check out everything about the this token and integration of Binance ecosystem, the Alpine F1. Let's talk about the tokenomics of this Alpine. Okay, we got 40,000. The hard cap is around 4 million. Okay, the token supply is around, let me calculate it. Okay, that is around the 40 million is the token supply. Okay, initial token supply would be 28.4%, and public sale would be 1 Alpine equivalent to 1 USDT. Tokens offered in this case is 4 million. Okay, 4 million tokens are going to be offered. So guys, 40 million tokens are going to be total supply, and 4 million is going to be offered during this Binance Launchpad. 10,000 is the hard cap, no lockup period. BEP is the token type, that is a blockchain. So simple thing guys, no rocket science. You can go and check out their website, check out their white paper. You can check out everything about this website. Okay, everything about the calculation of the Launchpad, how they commit. For example, these are the calculation, how if you have committed, for example, 10 BNBs, the committed withdrawal count would be around this one, and it's gonna depend on the initial token allocation. Okay, so these are the things. I'm gonna post the link under the description of this video, so make sure to check out. So guys, this is the 27th Binance Launchpad, okay, offered by the Binance Alpine F1 team, and ticker would be Alpine. Okay, so it would be listed on Binance on 21st of February, 5 p.m. UTC time, or 5 p.m. Pakistani time. 11 p.m. would be the time for UK. So guys, this was the complete details about the Alpine F1 and team fan token. So thanks for watching guys. Take care. Over and out from Crypto Global.